Animal Agriculture, Factory Farming, and Their Toll on Surrounding Communities by Kamil Wnek. When was the last time you ate meat? Did you consider where it comes from, what it takes to make it, or what happens with the waste produced from it? Most likely they came from factory farms, and these are operations that take mass amounts of animals in small compact areas for meat production to maximize profits. And these areas tend to expose surrounding communities to everything that they produce as a result of their work. One of the issues at hand are waste pits, and these are pits filled with waste like manure and urine and can have water runoff that affects surrounding inhabitants and ecosystems and can be relatively close to things like schools, churches, and water wells. Exposure living near factory farms can cause miscarriage, birth defects, bacterial infections, respiratory problems, exposure to antibiotic-resistant bacteria, brain damage, as well as depression. Communities experience smells of manure, ammonia, countless waste pits near their homes and communities, air, water, and soil pollution, and reduced air and water quality. When it comes to change, consumer knowledge and demand is key. Finding alternative diets, cutting down consumption of meat, and any policy and government officials being more involved in changing the industry are key. Examples of what consumers can do can be cutting down on their eating of meat by 25 to 50% and trying to incorporate more sustainable sources of meat into their diet. Instead of eating steak and bacon, one can opt for sheep, goats, and chicken, which require less inputs and produce less waste. Another would be the mass production of plant-based alternatives which use less inputs, produce less waste, are more sustainable, provide great health benefits, and less costly to the environment. Thank you, and let's make a difference.